Hi guys. Adik. Bye-bye, nanay! Bye-bye! Guys, uwi na si nanay to Edmonton. She's going home.
Bye.
Ingat po, ingat.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Ingat. Bye, babe. Bye. Ingat. Sama kayo mag-ina.
Ina kami.
How you feeling, boy? Are you sad? Hindi nakita nung dalawa si nanay umalis. Bye, nanay. Bye. That's it. Nanay is flying back to Edmonton. Tulog pa sila Ellis kaya hindi na kami bumaba. Dapat bababa kami. Si April na lang bumaba para tulungan si nanay. So yeah, bye nanay. Ingat. So guys, after this, we're gonna go to South Beach Casino. Kasi nag-book ng hotel sila Ate Tech doon para i-celebrate yung birthday niya kahit tapos na. So, pupunta doon sila tatay, sila Ate Tech, sila Ate Tak, the whole family. So, yeah, we're gonna go there after. Her birthday was August 15th, a week ago. And she's still celebrating it. And your boy is turning 34 soon, guys. Let's go.
Misty mountains, dusty roads ahead, crossing rivers, dreaming of a bed, from a window in the mighty clouds up high.
Wakey, wakey. My boy. We're here. Kay Elijah. Kay Elijah. Wow, tulog talaga siya. Let's open the door. So he wakes up. Kay Elijah. Kuya. Kuya. Hey, we're here. Good morning. We're here. Say hi. Guys, nakatulog si Kuya Elijah. How you doing? Good?
Yeah.
Si Emil, kaila tatay siya nag-ride. Kaya, wala siya dito. And they just got here too. Oh, ayun na pala sila, oh. Ayun na pala sila, oh. Nauna na. Let's go. I don't know bakit South Beach ang tawag nila dito. Wala namang beach dito. Pero meron siyang pool.
My nap felt so good.
Yeah? Your nap felt so good, eh? Let's go. Hi, Amal. Hi, Amal. How was your car ride? How was the car ride? Say hi, hi, hi. Say hi. Say hi. Look, 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 look. Uy, say hi to you, bro. Ito na lang ako. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi si Ate Shella. Hi.
Show your hair, show your hair.
Wow, may hair na siya. Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Happy late birthday.
Your birthday is done. Hello. Long time no see, ah. Hi, guys. We're here. Look at the view. Oh, nothing. The view is nothing, bro. No view. Just the roof and a couple of trees. Okay, guys. Mag-casino na kami. Hopefully, manalo tayo. Magkano lalaro ito, Ben? 20 lang? Magkano pa manalo mo today?
100.
Ikaw ilan?
1,000.
Ikaw, ate. Magkano pa manalo mo today?
500.
500 lang? Wow! Ikaw, tita. Ikaw, tita. 5,000. Ako, mga ano lang. Kahit mga 50 bucks. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, 50 bucks. Adik, gano'n panalo mo? 10 bucks. Panalo ka na? Guys, first game ko. Itong crab thingy. Tingnan natin yung magkano yung bonus. Nakakuha tayo ng bonus eh.
That's not too shabby.
74 bucks. Sabi ko 50 bucks lang, di ba? Oh wow, look, ang pinakamataas. Nakuha natin yung pinakamataas. Yeah, yellow. $77, guys. Let's go. Cash out. No, meron pa. Try pa natin. 20 nilagay ko eh. Yeah, boy. One more. Guys, ayaw na niyan lumabas. Come on. Cash out na ako. Cash out. Let's go. Panalo pa tayo ng $30. Guys, natalo na po yung pinalarunan ko kanina. Ang natira po ay 19 cents. Yun nga. Kaya ayaw rin susugay. Magkano talo mo?
Wala. Balik ulit.
Ikaw.
Money. Ito, ang tanungin mo.
Wow, ano yun? 30?
Talo
Ikaw,
din.
magkano talo mo? Baka malungkot.
Wag mo akong tanungin.
Talo kami, 60. So,
Ano, hindi ko na kayo in-invite.
wala pera namin dito.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Bye Ate Olivia.
Hello.
Bye. Peace. Peace Tinong.
Hi Lolo.
Party. Going home. Bye.
Misty mountains, dusty roads ahead.